Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing BohoBabe. So the description for this box is super cool. It's a monthly box of bohemian joy. Each box is $39.99. They do have all the ingredients or items in this box listed on their website. I didn't want to peek. We're going to go in depth in the blog review, which I'll link to below, but I'll link to BohoBabe so you can check them out as well. I think this box has like a $75 value, so that's pretty amazing. And the box is gorgeous. How pretty is that? I love it. So anyway, let's open it up. All right, so inside, I think this is super pretty. A gypsy soul isn't lost in looking. A gypsy soul is one who loves movement and finding the pulse in nature and flight as a metaphor. One who thinks everything is music. One who knows and holds an inward and therefore outwardly contagious kind of freedom. And that's from Victoria Erickson. And right on top, you have this beautiful pink feather. Ooh, I'm gonna have to, and it's like gold, like look at the tip is like gold. How fancy. Oh my goodness. All right, we are, and by the way, don't mind my room, we're still like sorting from Christmas and travel and all that stuff. It's just a mess, so I'm sorry guys. All right, our first item is Pinky Up Lavender Sorbet Flowering Green Tea. There's 10 bulbs in here. Look at this package. I've actually heard of this brand before. I don't know where. Maybe it was Instagram or something. But their products looked amazing. So I'm excited to try them. All right. Then we've got a Smudge Stick. Ooh, what is it? What kind? Oh my goodness, guys. I'm in love. Oh my gosh. You know who's going to love this? Nicole. If you're watching this, Nicole, look. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, girls, look at how beautiful. There's like flower petals. There's, it looks like, is it lavender or juniper? I'm not sure. Now, obviously, I'm going to link down below if you're interested in knowing what everything is. I don't think there's a card in here, but I'll put that all in the full blog review. That's so beautiful, though. Oh my goodness. Love it. All right, then we have, this isn't a dream catcher. It's more a... it's like a hair, I think this is to put in your hair. Like a, I don't want to say a hair tie, but you know what I mean? Like a headband, sort of. And then look at the feathers. I love this fabric. This cord fabric is like soft and suede-y. And then look at the beads. They make this fun, like tactile sound. That's gorgeous. I love it. These are owl feathers, by the way. I was at the park and this lady was there with like her dog. She was like an older lady. And she was like, oh, here's an owl feather. She gave it to the kids. It was really cool. That was like over the summer. All right. Next we've got this beautiful, oh, this is from Forever Cairn. And it has like a feather and it has these like amethyst, I don't know if this is amethyst or amethyst, like beads that they're like so pretty gems. Ooh, how gorgeous. And then finally, I think this is the last item, is, oh, look at this shell. Oh, gorgeous. Oh my gosh, how beautiful is this? Look at the mother of pearl inside. So this is the outside. And then this is the inside. How beautiful is this? So I guess you can put incense in here if you burn those. I just think this is beautiful to put like your earrings or rings or little like lip gloss, whatever, you know, for your dress or vanity or whatever. Isn't it gorgeous? What do you guys think of this box? Let me know down below. I'm in love. I really am. It's gorgeous. So that is everything that I received in my BohoBabe subscription. Taking my breath away. Let me know what you think. And I'll link to my full blog review, so we'll talk more there. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.